Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new series which is subject specific book recommendations, which one of you guys actually suggested, and it's a really good idea, so thank you for that. So starting with religious studies, also known as philosophy and ethics, also known as religious education, but you get the idea. So there's a lot you can read for religious studies, and I've got 3 examples, but I'm going to use them to say some sort of wider things that you can do. So, to begin with, you can read books which are mentioned throughout the course. So, for example, I ordered Situation Ethics by Fletcher because I thought it would be a fun read. It's not. But, you know, it is quite interesting. And there's loads of other books which are mentioned. So, our teacher has been emailing us Swinburne's book, which I think is called What is a God? But I can't find it on the internet anywhere. So, I'm not sure if that is the name of the book. But either way, you can either order them, I'd recommend second-hand because some of them could be quite expensive, or you can see if you can find online copies or see if you can borrow one from your teachers when we're back to school. Either way, reading books which are mentioned in the course, always good to extend your knowledge and reinforce the ideas which are presented. You also have books like this, Sophie's World. I haven't read this, but when I went to the induction day, I said to my teacher, I said, what is my mum doing behind the camera? That's not what I said to my teacher. I said, do you have any books you'd recommend reading? And he said, read Sophie's World. So read Sophie's World, there we go. Or you can have little further reading books. And I don't think this actually has anything that's in the course. Oh no, it has J.S. Mill. He's in the course. Yeah, no, it has some. It has some. But just little books like this, little book of philosophy. Always good, I suppose. There's also podcasts, I think on BBC4, they have some philosophers, and probably some articles you can find for ethics and examples, and really just reading around is always good. But the main thing I would suggest is finding books mentioned, so The Blind Watchmaker, Richard Dawkins, that's one that you could read. Trying to think of more. Well, you'll probably have them in your notes. If you look at the scholars which are mentioned, chances are they probably have a book. So just Google them, see if they have a book, give it a read. Yeah, so philosophy and ethics, there's loads you can do. I'm not going to suggest everything, but there's a little bit of guidance. I hope you enjoyed. Next up, probably history, because I have some books for that. I also study sociology and English literature. I keep forgetting the subjects I study, so I'll be able to give some recommendations for those. If any of you guys study anything else and you have any ideas that you'd like me to put in a video, let me know. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Friday, but that's the last Friday upload, then I'm going back to just Wednesdays. I'm sorry. This is not... It's very hard coming up with videos 2 per week, so it's not going to be happening much longer. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.